I got a package. I got a package. It's Nutrisystem. Let's see what we got in the package. Ooh, bubble wrap. Okay. Just a little note from Nutrisystem. Okay, let's see. Okay, so we got oatmeal shake. Not shake, oatmeal for the morning. Let me push that over there. Chocolate chip cookies. A bag of nuts, trail mix, another trail mix. Pick this up later, try and get everything organized. And lemonade cooler cookie. Lemon cooler cookie right here. There we go. Oatmeal raisin cookie and lemon cookie. Where's the shaker? Meal plan. Spicy noodles. I got about a lot of those. Broccoli and rice. Broccoli and rice. Cheddar, broccoli, and rice again. Spicy Kung Pao noodles. Mmm. Garlic chicken and flavored ramen. Same thing. Just basically ramen and rice. 3 cheese chicken. Spicy Kung Pao noodles. That sounds really good. Mac and cheese with cheddar. I'm really looking forward to the mac and cheese. Cheddar, broccoli, and rice again. And we got chewy peanut bar right there. Should be getting a chocolate pretzel roll, chocolate caramel bar, look at all these cookies, nuts, bag of nuts, chocolate pretzels, oatmeal cookie. And these are all for snack, the chocolate pretzels and stuff. And this is for a snack. I guess all the purple ones are snacks. What is this? Sweet salty snack mix. Sweet and salty. Same thing. Okay. What are these? Sweet for breakfast. Yellow is breakfast. Clusters, oat and rice. Same thing. Maple brown sugar, oatmeal. I've been getting, I like the oatmeal a lot, so that's what I'm going to be sticking to. So oatmeal, what oatmeal right here. And one more noodles. Blueberry muffin. Put that right there. And blueberry muffin again. Blueberry muffin. Blueberry muffin. Blueberry muffin. Okay, this is sweet granola. Cinnamon button bar, that sounds good. Breakfast. Cinnamon bun bar again. Except for the first one. I'm really excited about this. Shaker. It's a little bigger than the other one I had. Shaker. The one I had was, what is it? No, they're about the same size. They're about the same size. I like the shaker a lot. Thank you, Nutrisystem shaker. Down. I'm going to be using that for my water and for everything else. Right there. Now we get on to the good stuff. What's... Ooh! Look at that! Used to be like the little pouches. That's really fancy that they have the shake mix like that. It used to be like this a long time ago. The last time I did that a couple years ago. Now it's in like the container like that. That's awesome. And this one, I got chocolate and vanilla for shakes. And this is fat burner. I'm really interested in to try this. Lemon ice is the flavor. So we still have a lot of stuff to go. Let me put this down. Oh, sorry, Ham. It's been 8 minutes. What do you do right here? Mac and cheese again. Mac and cheese. I'm gonna take a picture of this of me and then post it on social media. I feel like Nick Avocado, but for healthy. If you know Nick Avocado on YouTube, yeah. This is healthy. Okay. Again. They sent me a lot of shakes. Another shake mix. Okay, here's the meals. Okay, so we have dinner time is red. So lunch time, breakfast time is yellow. Snack time is purple, and blue time is lunch. Seems like. Dinner time is red. We have Harvest Grain Bowl. That sounds really delicious. I'll put you right there. Same thing. It's all except for this one. Bean. I can't pronounce that. Just bean. The rotini meatballs. That sounds really good. I'm still getting another shipment in. My frozen stuff, so that'll be here in a month, like in a couple of weeks. And bean again. Chicken fried rice and chicken, that sounds really good. Chicken fried rice and chicken again. Rotini and meatballs, that sounds really good. Barbecue seasoned chicken, that sounds delish. We have another breakfast item, cinnamon bun. Dinner again. I have a lot of food. I don't think I can fit it on the whole table. Dinner time, vegetarian lasagna, so I'm trying to be a vegetarian for this 2 months. Vegetarian lasagna. Again, vegetarian lasagna, that sounds delish. This is barbecue seasoned chicken, delish again. Granola, breakfast. Meatballs again. This is garlic cheese flatbread, that sounds really good. I'm gonna put you right there. And that's for lunch. That's 3 of them. I'll put you right there. And almost down to the last one. Pizza! Yum! I had to get pizza. And it's, you can cook in the microwave. Yes. I got a lot of pizza because I love pizza. And pizza again. And that's it for my Nutrisystem haul.